Hi everyone, I'm Angelina and this is Blueprint DIY, where we remake our clothes to be just as unique as us. So we are in our houses, so why not upcycle? And the amazing thing about this video is that I am not just talking about my projects, although I do appreciate you watching Blueprint DIY. I am talking about other upcycles that I think that you need to know about. All right, so you're in your house, you are trying not to leave as much as possible. So you're taking those clothes, like we talked about in the first video, you're taking clothes out of your closet, reorganizing things, doing a whole Marie Kondo thing, stealing other people's clothes. You've gotten your inspiration from my channel as well as Pinterest and runway shows and other channels, and now you're ready to upcycle. One of the first things you're probably going to upcycle is T-shirts. So I have the cutest t-shirt ideas for you from Letitia Q. Her channel used to be Look Under Here, but now you can find it under Letitia Q. It's linked in the description box. And she has the cutest little t-shirt ideas. She did this one about a year ago, but I still love it. And I've been wanting to do it, especially the one with like the colorful yarn that's like kind of going along the bottom. I absolutely love that one and would love to try that one myself. And the next project I have for you is a DIY tie waist one shoulder t-shirt by Miara Jennings. I hope I said her first name right, but it's a cute thing and it is no-sew, and she does quite a few no-sew projects, so definitely go check out this tutorial as well as her channel for a bunch of no-sew upcycling projects. All right, so I had to come back and include a few more. Our community is just so small that there's no reason to leave any of these amazing tutorials and amazing YouTubers out just because they're big YouTubers. There's only a few. So I definitely, because a few of you have been requesting that underwire bustier type thing that is very popular right now, and I wanted to highlight this t-shirt underwire tank top that With Wendy did a while back. She's the first one that I saw do a DIY for it. I'm sure there was maybe some before that, but definitely if you are interested in either the tank top or the underwire bustier thing, definitely check this tutorial out first, just to see how she did that, and I'm sure it will help you to be able to achieve whatever look that you're going for. And then you can also check out my channel for t-shirt ideas. This t-shirt is one that I just did. This one is 2 t-shirts and it has puff sleeves. Yes, you gotta have the puffy sleeves. But I have been promising you guys my puff sleeve t-shirt tutorial for the longest, and this is it. So definitely if you are interested in a puffy sleeve t-shirt tutorial, go check that out. And then as summer is approaching, I have another one for you guys. If you have a rib t-shirt, I absolutely love rib tank tops, and this one is very simple. It has the lettuce edge hem on the bottom and just the t-shirt, a rib t-shirt and a couple buttons, and you can create this. So check that out. And if you haven't subscribed, definitely subscribe and share this video on your social media so that everyone knows about my channel, but also all the other channels that are doing amazing things here on YouTube. And just a side note, if you look down right below this video and that little word that says subscribe, if it's red, that means you're not subscribed. Some people told me that they feel like that YouTube unsubscribed them. Just check for me. If it's red, go ahead and hit it, turn it gray so it'll be subscribed, turn on all notifications, and you will never miss a video. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate it so much. All right, let's say you stole some men's dress shirts. Then you can do some amazing projects. There are actually a lot of upcyclers that upcycle men's dress shirts, but one of my new YouTube friends, her name is Just Dang, and she does some amazing things with everything, but with men's dress shirts. And I want you guys to check out her DIY puff sleeve dress. Cute little dress that is hitting the internet by storm. You may have seen it, but it's just the cutest little thing, and it's from a men's dress shirt. So that's definitely something you guys can do. And I've done something similar with a bow in the front, which is a top. So even if you don't want to make it a dress, you can follow her tutorial and then just cut it off and make it a top. So that's a 2-for-1 type thing. And then say you want to make a skirt out of a men's dress shirt. Some of you guys have been asking me about that, and I have a perfect tutorial for you guys. Her channel is My Style Diary, and you can check that video out. Cutest little skirt, like a midi skirt, a gathered skirt. So definitely check that out. It does not look difficult at all. I bet you could do it in one day and then move on to the next project. And of course, you guys know that I absolutely love upcycling men's dress shirts. One of my absolute favorite projects is just really simple from a men's dress shirt is to make the one with the tail in the front and the back. You guys have seen me style this in a million different ways, and I actually made it years ago, but right now it is super, super fresh, like as far as like what I've been seeing on the runways. So that is definitely an upcycle to go and do right now. Even though the tutorial is a little bit older, that project is hot right now for me in my wardrobe. It's an absolute staple, so go check that one out. All right, so let's say you're cleaning out your stuff and you have a ton of Adidas stuff. Like, I thrift a lot of Adidas stuff, and this is one of the things that I kind of like to do. And so I actually have two other upcyclers that love Adidas stuff. The first one, she actually made the Ivy Park bodysuit. She DIY'd that, and her channel is just Bira, B-I-R-A. So definitely check out this, and it looks bang on, just like the one Beyonce had on. So yeah, definitely go check that out, because some of you were saying like, well, how do we get it to look exactly like that? If you're into that, definitely go check that out. And the other one, she loves upcycling Adidas stuff, and her channel is called BL, B-E space E-L-L-E. And she took an, I don't know if it was I believe it was Adidas or a track jacket, and made it into a halter top. That is a super, super simple project, but if you have, like, say, a jacket and it's eaten up on the arms, I've seen those a ton of times in the thrift stores. Just go ahead and cut it off, turn it into a halter top to wear in the summertime, and you are all set. And then, of course, in that category, I love Adidas, and you definitely want to try making a backpack coat while you're in the house. Since you're in the house, grab an old backpack, cut the straps off, and add it to a random coat. I actually took some Adidas track pants, the snap up pants, and put it on the sleeves to make this coat. So you could do that as well. But if you just want another, simple option and turn any coat into a backpack coat, just do that, follow the tutorial, and you are set. By the time we get ready to go back out into the world, you will be ready to rock it. All right, so I just had to put these in there. There are several of our favorite YouTubers that are engaged right now, and they seem to be all making their wedding dresses. So I wanted to, if you are engaged and thinking about making your wedding dress, now I don't think that they are upcycling theirs. They may be making them from scratch, but you can definitely remake or alter a thrifted wedding dress. Oh, that would be so amazing. Just add on to it what you want. And actually, Cool Urpa does that. She has a whole series, I think, called Wedding Dress Transformation, and she is engaged. I haven't seen any of her actual wedding dress. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. I don't know if she's posted anything from her actual wedding dress, but she does have a series of thrifted wedding dresses that she remakes and makes them into just beautiful pieces. So definitely check that out, as well as Annika Victoria is engaged, and she is making her wedding dress, and she has shown a few videos. I think she has 2 videos that she's shown of her making her wedding dress, as well as seemingly Sarah. She's engaged, and she's making her fireball wedding dress, or at least that's what it makes, the thumbnail makes it seem like. It's just amazing to see what they're actually going to, what the final results are going to be. So if you're looking for a wedding dress, or you're just looking for just amazing entertainment, and we all watch these YouTubers and excited for them, so it's going to be amazing to see what their final dresses are going to look like. And another bonus, I would be remiss to not mention this, and I've never mentioned this in a video, and I think this is the perfect video since I'm doing shout outs to mention this. So many of you guys have asked for sewing classes, and I love to upcycle, but I only sew because I love to upcycle. But I know someone who loves to sew, and she loves teaching people how to sew, and she does it online. And she has a very affordable online sewing class, and you probably know her, Mimi G. She has a YouTube channel, and she has been such an amazing force in my life, because I watch her podcast or listen to her podcast, and she just tells it like it is. So as I have been working on my business more and more, she's just been so amazing. And she will, if you contact her, she will contact you back. A lot of YouTubers won't, but she will. So yes, I just love her to death. And if you're looking for an online sewing school, check out her Sew It Academy. The link is in the description box. Nobody in this video asked me to do this. I'm just doing it because you guys need to know these people. They're amazing. All right, so let's say you are a blazer hoarder like me, and And as you've been going through your thrift stash, you found that you have 50 million blazers that you want to do something with. Well, my friend Orly Shandy from the YouTube channel DIY Designer, she has a video about statement blazers. Amazing things that you can do just to give your blazers that pop that you might want them to have above, you know, just above and beyond, make them look statement and make them look designer. So definitely go check her out. All right, I want to jump in one last time and tell you about another YouTube. I don't know how to pronounce it, Bambix Fashion. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. You'll see it right here. But she has this men's blazer that she turned into a blazer dress, something that I have been wanting to do for a while and just never got around to it with everything, all the tutorials and stuff that I work on. But definitely check this out because I love blazer dresses, and if you are more petite, then this will definitely work for you, or you just find a really large one and, you know, taper it down into a dress. You could do this. And if you're taller, you could definitely add a little skirt at the bottom, some pleated layers or something like that to make an amazing blazer dress. And like I said, you guys know that I love blazers, and I have a no-sew way to crop your blazers. Like, say for instance, you are curvy and the blazers never go past your hips. You know who you are. It's a thing. And if that's you, you know it's a thing, because you guys have told me that a million times. And I just wanted to come up with a way that you can, even if you don't sew, you know, you can do those projects. As well as for my petite girls, short girls, then this project is perfect for you. And even for me, you know, you just want a cropped blazer. Not every blazer do I want it to go down to my hips. So this is a super simple way to crop your blazer. And then with what you cut off, you can make this amazing peplum belt. Yes, amazing peplum belt. I'm still excited about it, you can see. But you can make this amazing peplum belt. That's a 2-in-1. It's actually not in the same video, it's 2 videos, but you could go make that with one blazer. So yeah, definitely go check those out. All right, and last but not least, I know that if you are stuck in the house, you have jeans and you're going to want to upcycle them. So you guys know that jeans is one of the things that I absolutely love to do. And one of my friends, Fashion Wizardry, loves to do it as well. She has the cutest paper bag waist skirt that she made out of a pair of jeans. So cute. And she actually has 2 skirts on her website I just saw that are out of jeans. So a couple of you guys, like I said before, have been asking me for skirts. So today is your day, because this is the second time I've mentioned skirts in this video. So definitely go check out that video. And you could do it with whatever. I'm sure if you follow that tutorial, you could do that with jeans, and you could also do it with just a regular pair of pants. So yeah, definitely go check that out. And you guys know that I have a ton of projects that you could do as far as jeans and denim is concerned, if you want to take forever or you just want to be quick. But I'll just highlight one of my absolute favorite jean videos was when I did the 3 dope denim upcycles, and I did the paper bag waist jeans that was kind of like a patchwork. So definitely go check out that video, as well as I have a whole playlist of things that you can do with jeans. You could spend your whole 14 days with jeans if you wanted to. But I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Definitely go check out the amazing YouTubers that I've highlighted, and if you want more videos to watch other than the ones I've listed here, I always have more for you here. Definitely subscribe and share this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!